Hey there, and welcome to Funding Sparks. If you've ever wondered how to turn your ideas into reality or fund a cause that matters, this video is for you. Today, we're diving deep into the world of crowdfunding, what it is, how it works, and why it's such a powerful tool for businesses and fundraisers alike. Whether you're looking to kickstart your business, raise money for a personal cause, or just learn about this fascinating concept, stick around. We'll also explore the pros and cons of different crowdfunding platforms and share tips to help you succeed. So grab a notebook, hit that like button, and let's get started. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is crowdfunding? In simple words, crowdfunding is when you raise money for a project, business, or cause by getting small contributions from a large number of people. It's like a digital collection jar. Except instead of just friends and family, you can reach people from all over the world. There are 4 main types of crowdfunding. Reward-based crowdfunding. You offer rewards like a product or service in exchange for support. Think of Kickstarter or Indiegogo. Equity-based crowdfunding. People invest money in your business, and, in return, they own a piece of it. Donation-based crowdfunding. It's all about raising money for a good cause, like helping someone pay medical bills or funding a community project. Debt-based crowdfunding, also called peer-to-peer lending, where backers lend you money that you repay with interest. Pretty cool, right? Now, let's see how businesses use crowdfunding to grow. For entrepreneurs and startups, crowdfunding can be a game changer. Imagine you've got a brilliant idea for a new gadget, but no money to bring it to life. Instead of going to a bank or finding investors, you launch a crowdfunding campaign. You showcase your idea to the world, and people who believe in your vision contribute money to make it happen. Take Pebble Smartwatch, for example. They raised over $10 million on Kickstarter just by getting people excited about their product before it even hit the market. It's not just about money, it's about building a community of supporters who are invested in your success. But crowdfunding isn't just for businesses. It's also a lifeline for personal and social causes. Think about GoFundMe campaigns. People have used them to cover medical bills, fund education, or even help rebuild homes after disasters. The beauty of crowdfunding is that it turns "I can't afford it" into "we can make it happen together." You don't need deep pockets, just a compelling story, and the willingness to share it with the world. Now, let's talk about the tools that make all this possible. Crowdfunding platforms. There are plenty out there, but some of the most popular ones include Kickstarter, perfect for creative projects. Indiegogo offers more flexibility for campaign types. GoFundMe, great for personal causes. Patreon, ideal for creators who want monthly support from their fans. Each platform has its strengths, but none of them are perfect. Let's break down the pros and cons. Pros: easy to reach a global audience. No need for traditional funding like bank loans. Builds a community of backers who believe in your idea. Cons: platforms charge fees, usually a percentage of the funds you raise. It's highly competitive. Standing out can be tough. Success requires a solid plan and marketing skills. Speaking of success, let's talk about how you can crush it with your crowdfunding campaign. If you want your campaign to succeed, preparation is everything. Here are some tips. Plan ahead. Know your goals, timeline, and budget. Tell a compelling story. People connect with stories, not sales pitches. Create an eye-catching pitch. Use visuals, videos, and clear messaging. Promote on social media. Share your campaign far and wide. Engage your backers. Thank them, update them, and make them feel part of the journey. Remember, crowdfunding is not just about the money, it's about building trust, and excitement around your idea. Before we wrap up, let's touch on crowdsourcing. While crowdfunding is about raising money, crowdsourcing is about tapping into the knowledge, skills, or ideas of a group of people. For example, you can ask your community to help design your logo, choose a product name, or even spread the word about your campaign. It's a great way to build engagement while saving resources. Combine crowdfunding with crowdsourcing, and you've got a powerful recipe for success. So, there you have it, crowdfunding and crowdsourcing explained. Whether you're launching a product, raising money for a cause, or just exploring your options, these tools can help you achieve your goals. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Funding Sparks for more tips and insights. Now, it's your turn. What crowdfunding idea are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. See you in the next video. And until then, happy funding!